Well, well. We seem to have... What? Mayan Rainforest right here. What's this? Do you know where you are? You're in the jungle, baby.
Not just any jungle.
No, not just any jungle. This is the Black Swan Inn in Pocatello, Idaho. This building was built in the 30s and rethemed in the mid-90s as a themed motel. Look at this. They have various themes from Egyptian to cowboy to sea to shining sea, but we got the Mayans. Look at this. Gypsy Lynn is already reading up about everything. Look at this bed. It's like leopard print. We have a waterfall, even though we can't really see it that good right now. However, there are koi in this pond waterfall. Over here, we have a kitchen dinette set. And the sink, microwave, and a little refrigerator. Let's look around some more. We got a big screen TV right here. Oh my goodness. Whew, hope that thing's not hungry. Now, you've seen the little kitchen set. Now, you haven't seen anything yet. Look at the shower. Look at this. Inside a tree trunk. Look at this. That is amazing. But what's inside this door behind the, I don't know, storks maybe? It's an iguana. Now, when I go to the bathroom later, I'm gonna have birds and a jaguar looking over top of me while I'm doing my business. Look at the size of this room. Gypsy Lynn, are you pleased so far?
Very.
They haven't seen anything yet, have they? Oh no.
Took the stuff out of the basket.
Yes, we got a free complimentary basket with some goodies inside. We got some chocolate right here. And we got a mirror for our pleasure. So at least I can look good and Gypsy Lynn can pretty herself up. What goes down must go up. So, oh my, leopard print all the way up here. Whoa. Watch your step. It's a doozy. This Mayan room also includes a second balcony of a hot tub. Ooh la la. And if that wasn't enough, there's a TV. Now let's look from up here. I don't know if I'm going to be putting this camcorder up tonight, but I will be watching Gypsy Lynn reading over something. There's another jaguar. The Mayans are looking over us tonight. They are definitely looking over us.
The Black Swan room, it has a sauna.
A Black Swan room has a sauna. But this is the Mayan room. I think we did well tonight. So it's time to sleep well. Oh, la la.
They also have a book that you can go through. It's an information book about the Black Swan Inn. Here are the people who made this possible. Larry and Debbie Fisher. The Black Swan Garden. Atlantis Under the Sea. We stayed here at the Mayan. Right here is an Egyptian room. A tropical paradise. Jungle Falls. Romeo and Juliet. Rocky Mountain Cabin. You stay at a sea cave. Or even an enchanted forest. You could have an Arabian Nights. Or perhaps you want a pirate theme. Or maybe you want to have a cave. Or go back to the Old West when one of these. They now have some new ones. Athens. Arabia. Venice. Thailand. Rome, you can be like Julius Caesar and wear a toga. Rio de Janeiro. Paris. New York. Morocco. Hawaii. Egypt. Congo. Alaska. And England. We've done our duty, and now it's time to get on that open road.